iCOAT can deliver seamless coatings for all manner of commercial operational floor spaces. Our high-performance commercial floor coatings can be finished in gloss, matte or decorative. We can also achieve a high slip resistance with unmatched durability. Our chemically resistant top coats are food-grade, non-porous and exceptionally strong when compared to the next alternate. Our systems are flexible, impact-resistant surfaces that are returned to service within hours while being fully VOC compliant and OHS approved. It all adds up to less downtime costs and a high-performance coating. iCOAT is a proud West Australian-owned company.